Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. If you guys have not paid attention to the chart in the past 24 hours, you might not have seen that after the insane bull run, we did have a small pullback, but then we are a strong consolidation period hinting towards a bull run coming back. More into that, but before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time and you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video just to show everyone how strong the Shiba Inu army is. I know we can do it. Let's go for 104 likes. If we smash that would be incredible. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, I want to show you guys the 1 hour chart that Shiba Inu has been forming from the past 24 hours. If you guys remember, when we initially talked about this spike down, it was due to some whales deciding to sell, and at the same time, this point was the point when Elon decided to tweet about the fact that he does not own any Shiba Inu. After that, there was a small pullback, which was the zigzag line, but you need to understand that the last higher high we had, it was a little bit lower than the next one, showing that we are starting to form a symmetrical pattern, which is a symmetrical triangle, which will most likely close in. And also, as I mentioned, we will have the next 24 hours as a consolidation period, and that consolidation period will be broken into a bull run. How can I predict that? Let me show you. So if we look at this higher high which was formed, you can see that this one was lower than the previous higher high, and exact same thing is happening. Yes, maybe there might be a little bit higher, so we'll put it right here, and very similar idea is forming at the bottom as well. You can see this is the lower low we went to after having the initial bull run, and then now you can see that it went a little bit lower, and then you can see the lower low was obviously much higher than the last one, showing that the pattern is starting to form a symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle will most likely go in and close. Same thing will happen from here, somewhere here, and then in the next 24 hours or so, we will be able to decipher if the bull run is going to start or if there's just going to be an uptrend. You guys know whenever a symmetrical triangle closes in, from there usually there is an uptrend that forms in. The big pullback that happened due to this, you guys know the big rally or the big bull run we had, that is obviously going to be a small pullback, and this is actually a healthy pullback because it was recovered very quickly by the buyers, showing that the buy orders are still coming in and the buyers are stronger than sellers at the moment. And this consolidation period, which will most likely be lasting another 24 hours, this is going to be good time to get rid of those people that don't actually believe in the token and are just there to make profit, and the people who believe in the token long term will stick around, and then the uptrend will start to climb. This is just a point where we're just letting go of those people on the ship that don't believe in the token, and we do not want to go down while they're leaving, so that's why we're in a consolidation period as more people are entering, and we're going to be sticking to the same point. At the moment, it seems to be closing in close to 38 to 0.000038, which is a really healthy point because we're still higher than the last all-time high, which means that is still our support that we can last on. And overall, honestly, if I just look at the overall trend that the channel it is forming, Shiba Inu is looking very healthy and very good. If we look at the RSI, you can see when the initial bull run happened, we did actually break out of the RSI, which is not a good sign because we did go higher, so most likely a lot of people would decide to sell, and then now we are in a very strong dead center, which is really good because if the symmetrical triangle closes in and we're in the middle, we will be able to have another bull run which will take us about here, and then there will be a small decline, and then there will be a small pullback, and we will be able to climb again. Now the next big point that everyone is talking about is 50, so 0.000050. Everyone is predicting that that is going to be the next support that will be formed. We cannot predict that right now due to the point that we are actually in an exploration point, and the exploration point, it's literally anything can happen. We can have a bull run tomorrow morning, it might go up 95%. We cannot tell because the all-time high has been broken and all the resistance and supports will be formed at this point forward. Now talking about this article that was posted by you today, it's a really interesting article. Shiba Elon and Doge show strong inverse correlation with this indicator, and they're talking about the indicator which shows that the chart seems to be on a very strong movement. That's all we can say. You can see it is starting to show that all of them are starting to climb very quickly. By the way, Elon is another token that they are talking about. It's actually pretty crazy how quickly we have these in the past 24 hours, and also just in the past month Shiba Inu has done some incredible things. The reverse correlations, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, it's just my accent, but you can see it is also showing a very strong social dominance. And Shiba Inu, if you guys have not been able to catch on to it, Shiba Inu was actually talked more about than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined 3 days ago. That is a lot of people talking about Shiba Inu. I mean, just seeing the price, honestly, it's just crazy how well Shiba Inu is doing in this month. Now, moving on to another very interesting article that was posted by Finbold. Shiba eclipsed Ethereum's 24-hour trading volume following the period of high volatility. Now, if you guys remember, we did talk about this, but you need to understand now it is officially broken it by quite a margin. So at the moment when we talked about, it was close to like 0.02 billion. It was higher than Ethereum, but at the moment in the last 24 hours, Shiba's trading volume is $1.6 billion more than Ethereum. It is the second largest or the most traded cryptocurrency in the past 24 hours, and we're talking about billions and billions, not millions, billions of dollars, and a lot of people are investing in. Now, when there is a lot of movement like this, you have to be very cautious. Please do not panic sell, and also try to decide on when you want to take profit, as sometimes there might be a small downtrend where you will be able to buy again. I'm not going to be like other YouTubers, just hold. I want to be very clear. This is a good time to understand and decide where you will be taking profit and how you will be playing along, because the trading volume is going crazy. It's nearly higher than its own market cap. So you have to be very careful, because this can go a lot of different ways. Now, talking about multi-fools, now me personally, I do not like these people, because most of the time their articles do not mean much, but they always use the most popular trending topic like Shiba Inu and try to scare them. 6 figures that should terrify Shiba Inu investors. Now, if we decide to go down and see what they're talking about, 91 merchants accept Shiba Inu. My only response to that is going to be that happened in past 2 to 3 months. So it's pretty crazy. You should be happy there's 91 merchants. 13-day average holding period. 13-day is pretty insane for most of the crypto, as Bitcoin at one point only had 7 days. 12,968 cryptocurrencies is in existence. I don't know how that has anything to do with the Shiba Inu. 750,000 holders. That's a big number. There's a lot of people that are holding on to Shiba Inu. 82% of all Shiba controlled by the top 100 accounts. Is very similar with Bitcoin and every other cryptocurrency, and 5.3 million% gain in the past 15 months. Isn't that a good thing? I don't know how that is bad. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. Honestly, don't trust these people. I personally don't like multi-fools at all, because they generally never have anything good to say. They always just talk down on anything that is going good. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.